Namaste, my soul friends. My soul honors your soul. I honor the place in you where the entire universe resides. I honor the light, love, truth, and the truth is if you enjoy reading books, you can make money by doing so. Some people do it full-time, while others are lucky enough to earn a side income. It's a great way to learn about new books and authors and earn a little extra cash on the side. Read on to find out about some of the best opportunities out there. One of the more popular sites to read books for money is Reedsy Discovery. This service allows readers to communicate with authors and submit reviews. In exchange, they get paid by the readers who buy the books. You can even build up your reputation as a great reviewer and connect with authors. Another option for people who love to read is to check out the online book club. Here, you can pick from 4 to 6 books a month. You can also store a list of your favorite books and share it with other members. Each member gets a set amount of cash per book, ranging from $5 to $60. There are plenty of websites out there that pay people to read books, and you should look for the best. These sites offer you cash, gifts, and free books. Depending on the site, you may be asked to watch a video, record your reading, or donate your time. The most impressive thing about these sites is their flexibility. They let you set your own hours, which makes it a great fit for those who want a flexible schedule. Plus, it's a one-stop freelance shop, so you're bound to find clients. While many of these sites will pay you for your reading, you're also likely to find opportunities to test products and services. Amazon has an excellent audiobook creative exchange, for instance. As with any other job, you'll need to be prepared to put in some time. But the rewards can be high. The best way to find these sites is to do a Google search. If you find a website that seems promising, you'll need to fill out an application. Be sure to write a good cover letter and include your writing samples. Once you are accepted, you can start browsing the shelves for available books. When you're looking for the best book review websites, you'll want to look for those that are organized, reliable, and pay well. Some of these sites are sponsored by book distributors or publishers, and they will pay you for your writing. Others, however, are for independent book reviewers. If you're looking to make a name for yourself as a book lover, you may want to try the Moody Press Blogger Review Program. You can choose from several different books each month, and you'll be paid a royalty share. For those who are looking for the best of the best, you should take a look at Kirkus Media. This site is the holy grail of online book review websites. Not only do they provide the best reviews, they also have a snazzy website and a solid organization. Have you tried making money this way? Let me know in the comments. This is all I had to get off my chest for today. If you would like to hear more ways you can get paid doing what you love, subscribe. Peace.